In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up event reminders via email in Google Calendar. This will help ensure you never miss an important appointment, meeting, or event. It's a super straightforward process, and with just a few steps, you can have your reminders scheduled perfectly to your preference. First, open up your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main calendar view. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll be managing all your events and reminders. Now, find an empty slot on your calendar or an existing event you want to set a reminder for. If you're creating a new event, click on the desired date and time slot. A small window will appear, prompting you to fill in the event details such as title, time, and location. There's plenty of flexibility here, allowing you to customize your event fully. Be sure to scroll down within the window until you find the More Options button and click on it. Once the event details screen is opened, direct your attention to the right-hand side where you'll see a section called Notifications. Here, you have two default options. The first is setting a pop-up reminder that appears on your screen, and the second option is setting an email reminder. Since our goal today is to set up email reminders, click on the Add Notification drop-down menu and select Email. Now you'll be able to input how far in advance you'd like to receive this email reminder. Adjust the time to your preference, whether it's minutes, hours, days, or even weeks before the event. This customization ensures that your reminder reaches you well ahead of time, allowing for preparation. If you'd like multiple reminders for a single event, go ahead and click Add Another Notification to set those up. Once your reminders are fully configured, make sure to double-check all your entries. It's important that all details are correct and the timing suits your schedule. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. This will ensure all changes are saved and the reminders are set. And there you have it. You've successfully set up event reminders via email in Google Calendar. Now, you can rest easy knowing you'll receive alerts for your upcoming events directly in your inbox. Remember, you can always go back and edit your events or reminders if anything changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in keeping your schedule organized.